Okay everybody, so over here we have a Nest Learning thermostat, third generation, and I'm excited to get my hands on it since I have a second generation Nest Learning thermostat right now, and I own the first one, and they were all in the silver ring configuration, and this one I ordered in mirror black. So I'm kind of excited to see how it looks, but that wasn't the reason for upgrading. Basically, I ordered one of these temperature sensors also, since my house is fairly large and I have kids now, and the temperature varies in the rooms upstairs. So I'm not going to do a review on this. It's just going to be a quick unboxing so we can see the unit, since there's tons of reviews out there that are pretty good, in depth. I don't want to repeat anybody else. I was just going to show you this unit, and probably in a couple weeks I'm going to release a review of this additional sensor, just to see how it works and how functional it is, how it's going to change the temperature around the house, since the problem that I have currently is that my baby's room is facing south, and it's always warmer than the other rooms, and the newborn cannot regulate temperature like we grown-ups do. So hopefully this will help in regulating that room temperature. And as far as I know, we can hook up 3 sensors to this unit. There's a pack that Google sells for about 99 bucks currently. This one I got as a single unit just for testing purposes. I want to see how it works for a couple of weeks, and then I'll probably buy 2 more to connect them to this unit, and I'll let you guys know how it looks. So real quick, we're gonna open this unit. I'll just show you around. This is basically for anybody that is looking to buy something else in the color options, since the older ones were basically standard silver ring only. I think the box content is pretty much standard like the old ones. So you got the Nest unit, well protected. That looks beautiful. I like it. It doesn't look like it's fingerprint magnet. Yeah, it disappears, which is point plus, definitely. So real quick, let's see. Got probably the little user manual in here. The back plate where you connect the wires, 2 screws, the standard little screwdriver thing. And there should be a wall plate, if I remember from the older units. Yes, there's a wall plate for covering the old hole if you have a larger thermostat that you're going to replace right now. So that's about it basically. This is the unit once again. It looks beautiful in mirror black. And I'll be back in a couple of weeks with the results of this sensor test. So thank you everybody for watching.